The most critical shifts manufacturing must make to adopt AI at scale are both strategic and cultural. Strategically, manufacturers need to stop treating AI as an isolated experiment and instead weave it into the core of their operating model, from supply chains to quality assurance. The fact that 8 in 10 executives now see AI as an opportunity is encouraging, but execution requires a mindset shift. Culturally, this means building trust in AI-driven decisions and creating a workforce that is empowered, not threatened by automation. Talent gaps remain the biggest barrier. Nearly half of executives cite it as the number one constraint. So the industry must reframe AI adoption as a people plus technology story. The real winners will be those who foster a culture where innovation is everyone's responsibility, not just the domain of a digital team. Manufacturers can close skill gaps by taking a dual approach, investing in their existing workforce while building new pipelines of talent. Almost all leaders say they plan to upskill or reskill employees in 2026. That's crucial because automation combined with skilled human expertise unlocks real productivity gains. We're also seeing promising partnerships emerge between companies, trade schools, professional societies to prepare the next generation. But not every company can build all expertise in-house. Flexible AI-enabled platforms that do not require deep internal coding or data science skills will allow manufacturers to innovate at speed. I'd say the key is to view this as a workforce empowerment, not replacement. When people see AI as a tool to extend their capabilities, adoption accelerates. A fully integrated digital-first strategy means a company's processes, from procurement to production to logistics, are connected, data-driven, and agile. It is not digitizing paperwork. It is reimagining workflows end to end. Nearly a third of manufacturing leaders say digital adoption will be their competitive edge in the next 2 years. And that resonates. Companies that wait will find themselves locked into higher costs and slower response times. A digital-first company has real-time visibility into demand, supply, and quality. It can pivot production lines quickly, optimize sourcing across geographies, and deliver transparency to customers. Those that don't make the shift risk not just inefficiency, but irrelevance, because buyers are increasingly selecting suppliers that can move at digital speed. The areas where AI will deliver the most immediate ROI are supply chain management, procurement, and quality control. Each of these have high leverage points. In supply chain, AI can anticipate disruptions and optimize logistics. In procurement, it can match buyers with the right suppliers faster and at better prices. And in quality, it can detect issues earlier and reduce costly rework. The most powerful solutions will integrate across these areas. For example, linking AI-driven demand forecasts with supplier selection and production quality analytics creates a feedback loop that continuously improves performance. When AI stops being siloed and starts connecting these functions, that's when ROI compounds. The most important thing manufacturers can do in 2026 is to embed AI into the heart of their operational processes, not just pilots, but scaled deployments. Companies that broaden adoption beyond back office functions into core workflows will see compounding benefits, faster cycle times, lower costs, and higher customer satisfaction. The risk is not that AI overpromises, but that companies underadopt. In my view, 2026 will be a year where leaders separate themselves by moving from experimentation to scale. This outlook is valuable because it distills four key drivers: innovation in AI, operational agility, market and customer expectations, and pricing and sourcing. It essentially is a playbook for navigating uncertainty in 2026. The message is clear: anticipate change, lean into digital, and operate with agility. Companies that modernize now, scaling innovations, strengthening supply chains, tailoring offerings to evolve customer needs, won't just survive, but they will grow market share. Those that delay will be playing catch up in an environment where speed is everything. For CTOs, the key to securing buy in is in positioning AI not as a tech project, but as a business transformation. That means making AI a shared strategy, directly linked to growth, efficiency, and customer value. It's also about engagement, bringing in the CFO to see costs and ROI impacts, the COO to see operational gains, the CMO to see the customer experience improvements, and the CHRO to see workforce enablement. When every leader sees AI as an enabler to their goals, adoption stops being a debate and becomes a shared mission. The most successful CTOs will be translators, turning technology into outcomes that resonate across the C-suite. Xometry's marketplace is designed to give both buyers and suppliers the agility and efficiency they need. For buyers, that means instant access to a global network of vetted suppliers, real-time pricing, and faster time to market. For suppliers, it means consistent demand, access to digital tools that enhance quoting and production, and the ability to compete globally. In 2026 and beyond, agility will define competitiveness, and our marketplace provides that agility at scale. It is not just about matching supply and demand, it's about creating resilience, efficiency, and growth opportunities across the ecosystem.